Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. Question we will watch here. The treaty which was shared in NATO was signed by the member nations at option A Geneva, option B London, option C Paris, and option D Washington. The option D is the correct option, Washington. So the next question we will watch here. The unit of current is option A ohm, option B watt, option C ampere, and option D none of the above. The correct option is option C ampere. Next question. Thomas Cup is associated with option A badminton, option B billiards, option C lawn tennis, option D table tennis. Option A is the correct option, badminton. Theory of idealism was expounded by George Hegel, Bishop George and Berkeley according to this. Option A. Option A. Mentally is an illusion and that the only reality that which exists mentally. Option B. Good was pleasure and that evil was pain. Option C. Base of knowledge is sense experience, that is observation governed by scientific principle. And option D. All knowledge is derived from sensory experience by observing and experimenting. So the correct option is option A. Mentally is an illusion and that the only reality that which exists mentally. Option E is the correct option. Next question. To which country does the present UN Secretary General belongs? Option A Ghana, option B South Korea, option C Spain, and option D Portugal. The correct option is option D Portugal. This country does the present UN Secretary General belongs? Correct option is Portugal. Next question. So, next question. Antonio Guterres is the first former head of the government. This is the explanation for previous questions. Previous questions answer. Head of government to become Secretary General and the first Secretary General born after the establishment of the United Nations. He was Prime Minister of Portugal from 1995 to 2002. And so the correct option is option D, Portugal. So students, I have completed my short lecturing here. I wish you enjoyed this video. Namaskar.